Hi everyone, and welcome to the Custom Settings Time Math app tutorial. For this tutorial I am using a second generation iPod. The Time Math custom setting allows you the flexibility to create timed tests or flashcards specific to your needs. For example, let's say you want to practice multiplication by fives from 0 times 5 to 5 times 12. To do this with the Time Math app, first swipe to the multiplication sign. Next, select the custom setting level and then press the custom button. This brings us to our Set Custom Range screen. Let's take a quick look at the options here. Notice we have green low and high numbers and blue low and high numbers. These correspond to the selected range. So here we have 5 and 8, and we have 5 and 8 in the selected range, and then 7 and 8, and here we have 7 and 8 on the selected range. So in our case we want to go from 0 to 12 and then multiply by 5. So first let's set the low green range to 0. And set the high green range to 12. And now we want to change the blue numbers to 5. The low and the high numbers both set to 5. Notice we could have a range, but in our case we want to multiply from 0 times 5 to 12 times 5. Once we're happy with our custom range, we click OK. And here we have the option to do a timed test or flashcards with our selected range. So let's take a look at flashcards. We have an option to either do the flashcards in order or any order. In order brings us from 0 times 5 all the way to 12 times 5. You can also click the next button or swipe. In any order just is random, with all the problems we saw when we went in order. So this is a great way to practice. And once we're done practicing, click on the Done button. And this is going to bring us back to our main screen. And from here, now that we're done practicing, we can click on Time Test. Here we have 1 minute to get as many correct answers as we can. The goal here is just practice a lot, have fun, and relax.